Let's explore this new hotel, Marsa Al Arab, which includes marina, private beach, and let's indulge in these moments by the ocean. Aiden is very happy and he's not sleepy. We are going to the beach. Nice big pool merging with the sea. Let's go to our Gabbana, Aiden. It's good for your sleep. Aiden will take a nap today here. It's nice and cozy. Aiden now is changing and ready for swim.
I'm going, Mama.
Yes, of course. And now it's time for our sandcastles. What do you think?
I know.
Let's make some sandcastles and little bushes on the sea. Let's go for a swim. Aiden prefers swimming pool rather than the pool. He feels the water is a bit salty and cold. Now let's go back to the swimming pool. Yes, let's go there. Wow, it's so cool. Yay! Jump to me!
I know one.
First, Aiden was a bit overwhelmed by this new and beautiful environment, but now he feels more secure. It's just like a beach bathroom. Here we have the baby area. Here, if you want to enter, you have to put your hand. Washing. Lockers. So, little benches, rest changing rooms. And two showers. Nice and marble finishings here. And another also very cool shower thing. This is a kids club. Let's see what's inside. Let's find where is Aiden. He's playing and he's very busy. The little corners. And a big playing area we have over there. Some activity tables. Library. And there are play areas. Here he is. Here this little boy with his nanny. Hi. Wait, I will find it now. Wow, this little frozen.
Hello.
Hi guys. So here activities for motor and sensory skills. Look how many puzzles. And nice things we have here. Yay. Also this one. Oh, finding penguin game.
No.
Let's find the penguin. How to find the penguins? It's difficult. Yeah, this may be not too difficult one. Not for us. Look. Oh, here. Lots of Montessori games, puzzles for this little one.
Water bucket is not working in the water park.
What's not working? The bucket.
Yes.
Yeah, the bucket was not working. Here we have little books for Aiden. Hi. So let's go and see where are the other kids. Where are they? Here. there's room for big boys. Yes, Aiden? It's not good for you. Oh. Let's go find Freya. Let's go check. Where is Freya?
No, Freya is
Where?
I think she's riding a bike.
Riding a bike? Okay, let's go. Let's go find Freya. Yeah, let's do it. Let's find our sister. Aiden, where are we going?
Freya.
Freya, hello. What you doing? Wow, she's drawing in the dark. Here we are. Freya Aiden will show us. Go ride the bicycle. Show me, Aiden. How are you riding? Wow, let's try. Let's go. Yeah, it's a busy kids club, lots of activities, very safe and attractive toys, and nice and friendly environment. Aiden put a lot of veggies and fruits in the boot of his bike. Wow, how nice. So good. Keep going, boy. Aiden, keep going. Show me. Wow. Oh my God, so nice. And look at this nice puzzle. So look, we can make some building blocks, yeah? They look like this. All very soft and nice. Wow, this is a car It's on the for hours. Lots of creative games and nice photographs. Aiden, come here, show me this car. Oh, and your baby can cook for you here. Look at this wonderful kitchen. Let's cook. Aiden already brought me lots of veggies and fruits. Thank you. Oh, that's so yummy. You can make your own pizza. You can cook different pizza. Yeah, you can make salad also. Yes, thank you. Very nice vegetable and fruits that you can cut, you can cook and connect together. Wow, what is that? Also, so many things. That's so yummy. Wow, we'll eat, of course. Give me a knife, please. I will cut it. Let's try the veggies. Chef Aiden is cooking. Show me what you're cooking there. This cooking station. Wow, and the oven. Aiden is busy serving the table. Nice.
One sausage, Mama.
Nice. Cook. Keep cooking. Aiden, what you're cooking? Tell me. Because croissants. Aiden is actively serving the table, bringing me some foodie. Wow, Aiden, put here for me, please. On the plate. Yeah. Yes, thank you. What you're eating? He's bringing lots lots of food, making salads, yeah? Wow! Barbie corner. See here, we have here the play area. And library. Little library for little smarty pants. Let's check it out. Little boy. Aiden, come, let's see here. Show me how you can do it. And we have swings. And also some little wooden cars. All the time. Aiden, show me. Who is this? Barbie corner, yeah? And here are trolls. Look at this. They all live here. I live here. Who lives here? Yeah, you need to change your dress, baby. Yeah, also wet. And we have the music instrument, the music corner. Yay. Wow. So for use now. How about this, Aiden? So different musical instruments. Ukulele looks like this. Aiden is more excited in the Barbie house. He likes the house. Sitting already. All the Barbies sitting and they are ready. Aiden?
They're not letting me.
Aiden, you like the house? Aiden, it's time to take a nap. They are all going now. Let's say bye-bye.
I'm going.